So in this chapter, we are going to learn about use of these, that, and these, those. So first, look at the picture. Look at this picture. Can you see this picture? So in this picture, we can see one boy is standing. One boy is standing. And it is written that this little puppy goes to the market. Now look at the puppy and the distance between the boy and the puppy. Look at, so notice the distance between the boy and the puppy. In this picture, this puppy is near to the boy, very near to the boy. And puppy mean only one puppy is there. So in this case, so anything, any person or place or thing that will be near to you. So in that case, you have to use THIS, this. Now look at this picture. Now look at this picture. In this picture, this puppy is far from the boy. This picture, in this picture, this puppy is far from the boy. So in this case, you have to use THAT, that. So THIS, this, and THAT, that. We will use the thing or person will be near to us. That will be near to us, and it should have to one in number, not more than one. It have to more one in number. Okay. Now look at picture number 3. Now look at picture number 3. You can see one boy is standing over there, but the boy is showing these little puppies. So now in this case, the boy is showing puppies. Puppies mean not a single puppy. So something. So if near to you, more than one things, more than one object, or more than one person near to you, in this case, you can use THES, this. But if more than one thing or person or object far from you, you have to use THOSE, those. So understand, THIS, this. See, this is my book, because the boy, here the boy is holding a book, only one book. But in this picture, the boy is saying, these are my books. Why this? Because in this picture, the boy is holding more books. So let me give you one example. Right now in front of you, what you can see? In front of you, what you can see? So in front of you, there may be, must be lots of books. Lots of books are there in front of you right now. So you can tell me, ma'am, these are my books. This means in this you will use THES, this. These are my book. You can say, ma'am, these are my book. But if right now in front of you there is one pencil box, so you can tell me, ma'am, this is a pencil box. Or you can also say, ma'am, this is my pencil box, because in both these cases, in both of these cases, only one thing should be there, only one. Okay, only one. But I can see most of your, in the bedroom, most of your bedroom, on the wall, there are lots of pictures are there. So you can tell me, ma'am, those are picture, those are photos. Those, why you will use THOSE, those? Because the thing, the object far from you, THOSE, those are photos. Yes, those are photos. So almost everyone, now you are doing your class in your bedroom, and there is one ceiling fan. Yes, there is one ceiling fan on the ceiling. So you can tell me, ma'am, that is a fan. That is a fan. Why that? THAT, that, because the fan is far from you. Far means dure. Tomar theke dure. The fan is far from you. So you will say, ma'am, that is a fan. Why that? THAT, that. Why we will use that? Because only one fan is there. That is a TV. Because TV is far from you. So the thing near to you, if it is one in number, you will use THAT, THIS, this. But if the thing near to you, but more than one in number, more than one actor beshi, you will use THESE, this. Things far from you, more than one, you will say that. Things far from you, more than one in number, actor beshi, you will use THOAC, those. Near to us. Cannot write here near to, so near to us. So here I cannot type any, right? Near and far from us. Okay. So now go to the next page. Let's solve the exercises. Let's do the exercises. Exercise A. Exercise है. You just have to point it out. See, just notice the distance between the boy and the object. Just notice the object, distance between the boy and the item. See, Pritam, this is Pritam and he is pointing a different thing. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with this and that. This is a boat. This is a boat. This is a boat. Okay. That is a mountain. This is my house. That is a restaurant. I'm giving arrows so that you can notice the distance between the boy and the picture. Okay. I'm using arrows. Okay. This is my book. That is my friend bag. So now look the distance and write here what will be this or that. So this is a boat. That is a mountain. Try to do it by yourself. This is my house. That is a restaurant. This is my book and that is my friend's bag. So for this and that, you just have to notice the distance. You just have to understand the distance of the object from the blanks, and also keeping in mind this mean only one in number. So the thing that is only one in number you will use. So why this here? Why I have used this? Because this boat is near to the boy. The mountain is far from the boy. The house is near to the boy. The restaurant is far from the boy. The book is near to the boy. And that means that bag is far from the boy. Understand? Is it clear? Now do it in your book. Do it in your book. I hope it is completed by all. Okay, so now I'm going to next page. Okay, it is also very easy. You have to write the word in the blanks. Okay, you have to write, but here I am ticking on that. See, children are eating ice cream. Here is a boy you can see, and he is pointing at the children. So here we will use this. These children are eating ice cream because children are near to the boy. Here also, you just have to notice the distance. So these are absolutely depend on the distance. Okay, absolutely depend on the distance. So these are children. These children are eating ice cream. Acha. This puppy is playing. This puppy is playing. Those, those are those shirts are too small for me. No need to raise your hand. Just do the worksheet and try to understand. This or that shop sells toys. That because shop is far from the girl. Acha. Those are kites. Those are kites. Those are kites. Acha. This is my bicycle. Why this is my bicycle? Because the boy himself is riding on the bicycle. So absolutely it will be this. Because the boy himself is riding on the bicycle. So this is my bicycle. Meena want those books. Those books. Acha. This or that is an aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. That. Because we know aeroplane fly over the sky. So that is an aeroplane. So I also can do something. I can use arrows so that you can easily understand. These. Okay. For your understanding, I'm using few arrows so that you can understand the distance. But in the exam, you have to understand the distance by yourself. Okay, see. Just look at the arrow so that you can easily understand small arrows and long arrows. Small arrows mean these and long arrows mean now you can tell me, ma'am, kite. So it will be these, no? No, because you know that kites fly on the sky. Acha. Here I will not put any because the boy itself is riding on the bicycle. Those are books, and here also it will be also that is an aeroplane. But if you want, in that case, you can also write this is an aeroplane because as per the picture, it is showing that aeroplane is very near to the man. So if you want, if you can also use this, I have no problem. According to the picture, the aeroplane is very near to the man. But as we know that aeroplane fly on the sky, Akmal Ali see it properly. So I have used here that. So if you wish, you can also choose this is an aeroplane. No problem at all. Absolutely depend on the distance. Okay, how you are showing this. I hope it is completed by all of you. So those who have completed, show me your copy. Rajdi, Ayush, Bornabho, Akmol, Arhan, Mushina. Very good. Answer can be different from my picture because if you think the object is near to you or near to the boy or girl, you can write this or else those. Okay, very good, Rajdi, Ayush, Akmal, Bornabho. Mushina. Very good. This type of different worksheet I will give you in the next class. Okay, Afrin, Raisha, Tirasha, Armin. Very good. Oishani, Shamprikta. Raisha, where is your uniform today? Okay. Zubaidul, Arvika, Tirasha, very good. Keep it down. Keep it down, all of you. Tirasha, okay, good. Ashna, Aryan, Rehan, Aryan and Rehan. Swastik, is it clear to all of you? These and that? Okay, these and those mean TH. Arshinas, you are having food and your mother is showing me copy. What is going on? This is your class. Do it by yourself. I know you are hungry, but Armin, Aryan, Rihan, okay. Aryan, Rihan also practice the same thing in the copy also. After the class, also practice the same thing in the copy. Acha, Deeptha, Shivagni, okay, very good. Very good, Arshi. Shagnik, Arohi, Ifra, very good. Arvika, Shumon, Pratyusha. Pratyusha completed? Okay, very good. But you have to practice lot of worksheets. Okay. Ayush, okay. Completed by all. So, Acha, I can stop sharing.